Evolution can be used to explain how things evolve and become different from one another, but we can also use it to trace back what exactly organisms have evolved from, which we would call our common ancestors. Let's take humans, for example. Homo sapiens, like most species, started off as one population, all located in one common geographical location. Given humans were located in the same area, they were facing nearly all the same selective pressures, which caused them to have similar characteristics. As time went on, the continents drifted and physical barriers formed, causing the original human species population to split up into multiple different populations that are found throughout the globe. Populations became separated by physical barriers like great bodies of water and mountain ranges, preventing mating between the populations. Each human population is going to be facing different selective pressures, causing for different genes to be favored. For example, when human species moved away from the equator, dark photoprotective skin was no longer as advantageous. Eventually, a mutation occurred, causing depigmented lighter skin, which better allowed for vitamin D synthesis in low UV areas. Therefore, individuals with light skin in that area were more likely to survive and reproduce and pass on the allele for depigmented skin. Genetic variation on a greater scale won't just cause slight genetic differences within a species, like change in skin color, but it can also create an entirely new species. Consider the structure of your arm. Humans have one upper bone connected to two lower, thin bones, and those are attached to small carpals in the hand, which are hand and wrist bones. While multiple other species, including bird, cat, horse, and whale, all have the same exact structure, meaning that they all came from a common ancestor. The common ancestral species likely grew into multiple populations that spread throughout the world, and they each probably had their own environmental influences. Sources of genetic variation like mutations, gene flow, recombination would have increased the species' evolutionary potential to adapt to those environmental pressures and become new species.